Now starting before the heading tag, I want you to install something. So just go in this part, it's written extensions, and just search for live server. Okay, so live server, so just install it. I have already installed. So what this live server does is, so suppose, let me just show you. I'm writing hey. So as I saved it, it's not appearing as soon as I save it. I have to manually go and reload this page and then it appears. So what live server does, it automatically reload pages whenever you save and edit it. Okay, so when you install it, it will come here as go live. If you don't want to install, no problem, you can just reload again. So you can just press go live and it's starting. So now it's appear here, my first page. So now whatever you like, hey, it's a live server. So now as soon as I save it, see, it auto reloaded. I don't have to reload it. So now I'll see, not I'll you'll see your first tag, heading tag. So you'll be like, you, these are also tags. Yeah, these are also tags, but these are kind of boilerplate. Like without this you can't do anything in HTML. Like you have to write these things. There should be an title, head, body, HTML. These are compulsory things, but that now the tags we are going to learn are not compulsory, is it up to you, you want to use it or not. So we'll say h1. So heading tag is like this. So, and where do we write elements we write in between. So we like, this is a heading tag. If I save it, this is a heading tag. So see how it's written so big. So heading tag does, if I do normal written, normal, this is a normal. So the normal we write like this whenever you write in body, but whenever you use this h1 tag, it will look like this jumbo. So, and we, this is the heading tag h1. Okay, h1. So h1, so it's from starting from h1 and it's still h6. So if we write h2, and if I say this is a heading tag h2, if I save it, so it's little bit smaller than this one. So this is the way we can write it. But in this heading and h1 h2, it goes till h6. So if I just copy this, paste it, and if I just change these things to h3, and this h4, this h5, and this h6, here also h3, h4, h5, h6, and I save it, and now I have to say change it here, h3, h4, h5, h6. Okay, save it. So see, this is how it appears. This is heading h1 tag. This is the biggest one, smaller than that, smaller than that, smaller. So h6 is the most smallest one. Suppose if I put some spaces here between tag h1 and this, like this, and if I save it, see, it not appears here because these h1 tags and other tags also, I'll tell you, they automatically remove extra spaces and line breaks. If I just put a enter and say hello, so I want a like one line break. So if I save it, so see, nothing, it's hello after just one space. So this is the one thing you can notice in like these tags, it automatically removes everything. If I do here in this one h1, this is also automatically removes this line breaks and spaces. See, so HTML is kind of thing, and most of the tags also, they kind of remove everything like extra spaces. They just leave you with the one space only, and then extra enter. So that's why there are different tags for different works. So the next tag we'll see, which are called paragraph tags.